Welcome to the Metaphysical meditation. Allow yourself to sit upright in a comfortable seated position and take one or two cleansing breaths just to bring you into the present moment. Don't worry if thoughts enter into your mind. From time to time, if you find your mind drifting, gently guide your thoughts back to the practice, and with time it will get easier and easier. As you sit quietly, observing any sounds and any internal experiences, begin to fill your heart with a feeling of joy. To generate this feeling, you may go back to memories or thoughts, or imagine the faces of loved ones who fill your heart with a sense of joy. If joy is not an accessible feeling today, perhaps you might wish to work with a feeling of love or peace, compassion, serenity, or any other feel-good feeling that you can find access to today. If at any time during the meditation I use the word joy, don't feel pressure to feel that specific feeling. Just find and access a feeling that feels good and easy for you today. As you breathe and relax, behold the sphere of darkness that you see floating in front of your closed eyelids. Slowly that darkness makes way for the sphere of light and joy, just like the darkness of nighttime makes way for the golden light of the dawn. Allow the sphere to start expanding as fear and darkness and any other emotions that do not serve you fade away into the warm light and joy. You feel the sphere expanding all around you, getting bigger than your body, so that it feels as if you are sitting in the center of a golden glowing sun, exuding and emanating the joy, the light, the love, the serenity, peace and compassion. You may find it easy to visualize today, or maybe you just wish to feel, or maybe even just create the sense of knowing that the light and all the other good feelings you are generating are surrounding you. Go on expanding the sphere of light and joy, and the room you are sitting in begins to fill with that light. Anyone near to you, in the building, in the room, is blessed by your joy and soothed by your light. Get that feeling of expansive, warm, glowing radiance filling the whole space around you. And as you expand this light, see or feel it moving into your entire neighborhood, washing through the streets and over the houses, into the yards and the rooms of all the people who live in the areas around you, bringing joy, bringing peace, bringing contentment, love, and serenity. Now the sphere continues to expand, encompassing the entire continent on which you live. The light and joy flowing through the valleys and the mountains, deep peace into the rivers and the lakes, surrounding all living beings with your love and your light. This glowing sphere continues to expand until it includes all countries, all oceans, the entire world. See or feel or know that the world is bathed in the light of this peaceful sphere of joy. The earth appears as a tiny ball moving in the vast sphere of joy and light. As the sphere becomes bigger and bigger, notice all of the planets and all of the star systems, the whole Milky Way, and all the cosmic galaxies swirling like little islands in the universe, like tiny bubbles floating within the light. Now expand the sphere of light and joy within you. Feel it exuding, emanating, and radiating in all directions. In the sphere, all things are moving. Mentally affirm to yourself, within me, the worlds float as bubbles. I am one with my origin. The divine source and I are one. Now open your eyes without disturbing your mental state and look at that body and see how little that body is. Close your eyes again and realize that you are the eternal sphere of light and joy, in which all things have their being. Go on meditating. Mentally affirm, I am the cosmic sphere of light. I am the cosmic sphere of joy and love, in which all worlds and universes are floating like bubbles. I am one with my divine source. I am one with my origin. I am not this body. I am the eternal sphere of light. Feel that awareness of eternity above you and below you and everywhere around you. In this eternal sphere of light and joy, You are connected to your origin. You are one with your source. Continue to meditate for as long as you desire. And when you are done, gently place your hands into prayer position and say a closing prayer of gratitude and thanks that feels comfortable and good for you.